A college degree was the definitive path to a secure career, but in today's white-collar job market, it's no longer a guarantee of stability. Nearly 40% of office roles now face replacement or significant modification by automated systems. As companies look to cut costs, they are starting with the middle management and entry-level positions that once formed the backbone of the professional class. In response, workers are moving towards roles that software cannot replicate. Physical technical trades are emerging as a safe harbor, specifically because they exist in the physical world rather than on a screen. This chart shows why automation struggles with manual trades. While digital tasks follow predictable logic, less than 10% of construction work can be automated. These roles require real-time adaptation to the randomized physical environments shown on the right. As the path to a stable office job narrows, the search for immediate earning power without years of tuition debt is leading a surprising demographic to the job site. Facing intense financial pressure and a lack of entry-level office roles, women are increasingly bypassing traditional college paths for the trades. The definition of a secure career has changed. The unpredictable variables of a construction site, the very things that make the work physically demanding, now make manual labor the most reliable long-term bet in an automated economy. When comparing paths, a 4-year degree requires years of heavy debt, while the trade certification path offers a faster paycheck. Over 70% of technical participants certify and earn, while university counterparts pay for credits. 6 out of 10 achieve economic stability significantly faster. These earnings are also rising. A national shortage of skilled labor has pushed average starting salaries for these roles up by 25% since 2019, with starting pay now exceeding $23 an hour. The ceiling for these roles has also moved. Take electricians, for example. Their average annual salary has nearly doubled since 2005, with many now making close to 6 figures. For women entering these fields, labor unions provide an additional layer of security. They offer transparent, scheduled raises so workers know exactly when their income will increase. This transparency allows workers to plan for major life milestones, like buying a home, with a high degree of certainty. For many women, a trade is a calculated way to build long-term financial independence. But there is a disconnect between the financial math and the reality on the ground. Despite the rising interest and high pay, women still make up less than 4% of the construction workforce. The workplace culture remains a major obstacle. Women on job sites report disproportionate rates of harassment and discrimination, creating a barrier that has nothing to do with the work itself. There is also an issue with how skills are taught. Female apprentices are frequently siloed and denied the same opportunities as their male counterparts to learn the broad, high-level technical skills leading to career advancement. This chart illustrates the result of that environment. 1 in 3 women cite this hostile workplace culture as the primary reason they leave the sector, leading to the massive retention gap we see at the bottom of the funnel. High salaries are a powerful draw, but they cannot compensate for a workplace that remains exclusionary. The financial benefits of the trades are currently being undermined by analog human bias. This isn't just a problem for individual workers, it's an economic crisis. Over the next decade, 25% of the construction workforce will reach retirement age. To maintain our current level of infrastructure development, the industry needs to find 500,000 new workers every single year. Currently, the industry is failing to meet that goal. Only 30% of vacancies are being filled on time, causing half of all construction companies to report significant project delays. This massive worker deficit could be solved by the very demographic currently being pushed out. Women seeking financial security are the most obvious solution to the industry's labor shortage. The potential impact is enormous. If the industry could successfully integrate just 200,000 more women into these roles, the resulting economic boost would exceed $600 million. On a national level, increasing female workforce participation and their subsequent purchasing power has the potential to boost total GDP by as much as 10%. Blue-collar trades offer women the long-term stability that university degrees no longer promise. Realizing this economic potential requires the industry to fix the cultural barriers currently pushing women away.